Hello everyone, in today's session we will see how to install and register GitLab Runner on Windows operating system. So for that I am going to follow this URL. In this session I am going to follow this URL step by step. So if you want you can skip this entire video and just go to this link and follow the steps to install and register GitLab Runner on Windows. So let's get started. So as in the installation step mentioned, create a folder. So first of all I will create a folder by this name GitLab-Runner. Next thing is I need to download binary. So my system is 64-bit, so I will download AMD 64-bit binary. We will wait till the download completes. Once the download has completed, next step is to rename the binary to GitLab-Runner.exe. So I will change the name. Then I need to put it into the folder that we have created. So I will cut that and put it over here. Okay. Next thing is I need to run the command prompt. So for that I need to run cmd as administrator. Now I will change my directory to the folder where I have downloaded the binary file, and then I will run this command. Okay, next is to run this command. So we will start GitLab Runner. Once we have completed these steps, next is to register the GitLab Runner. So we'll click on the register portion. Over here Windows, and we'll execute this command. As I have mentioned earlier, that this coordinator URL will remain same in most of the cases, but yes, if you have set up GitLab on your local server, then this URL might change. So till you are using this gitlab.com, you need to use this https gitlab.com URL. So at present we will give the same URL as shown. Okay, now it is asking me for GitLab CI token. So we will get this token from our project setting. So for that I will go to my GitLab account, go to the project for which I want to register the GitLab Runner. Settings, CI/CD, now I will expand this runners section, and from over here I will get the token. So I will copy this token. Okay, so this description you can provide any description. So I will say that Windows GitLab Runner, and please enter the tag. So this tag name you can use it when you are writing .yml file, so this tag name will be very much useful while writing CI/CD steps, and you can mention it under the tags keyword in .yml file. So over here I will provide tag name Windows runner. Now it is asking me to choose the executor. So at present I will choose shell as my executor. Okay, so that's it. So runner has been registered successfully. So now if we go to the UI and refresh it, okay, I need to expand this runner section. So you can see that over here we have two runners. This runner has been installed on Linux operating system, whereas this runner has been installed on Windows operating system. So it's tag name Windows runner shown over here, and the runner which has been installed on Linux operating system, its tag name is common runner, and description is Windows GitLab runner, and over here it's common runner. So now this runner on Windows operating system has been successfully installed and registered on GitLab as well as on Windows operating system. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.